Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate social media posts with Hootsuite, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin automating your social media posts with Hootsuite, start by creating a free account on their website. Visit Hootsuite's official site and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information such as your email address and a secure password. Once your account is created, log in to your Hootsuite dashboard. Connect your social media accounts by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Manage Social Networks, then choose the platforms you want to link, like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Follow the prompts to grant Hootsuite permission to access your social media accounts. After connecting your accounts, return to the dashboard for post scheduling. To create a new post, click on the New Post button in the top menu. Choose the social network where you want to publish your post. Compose your message in the text box provided. You can also attach images or videos by clicking on the media upload icon. Once your post is ready, locate the scheduling section. Select the date and time you want your post to go live. If you prefer to post immediately, you can click Post Now. For scheduled posts, click on Schedule for later to confirm your preferred timing. To manage and review your scheduled posts, navigate to the Publisher tab on the left side. Here, you can see a calendar view of all your scheduled content. You can edit or reschedule any post by selecting it from the calendar. Hootsuite also offers analytics to track the performance of your posts. To access your analytics, click on the Analytics tab. Review insights to understand audience engagement and optimize future posts. For more advanced automation, explore Hootsuite's AutoSchedule feature. This tool allows you to automatically publish your posts at optimal times for maximum reach. Experiment with different posting times and content types to discover what works best for your audience. As you grow more comfortable, consider using Hootsuite's content library to save frequently used assets. This can streamline your posting process even further. With Hootsuite, you can easily stay organized and maintain a consistent posting schedule. By following these steps, you're well on your way to effectively automating your social media presence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.